Pero before pa Santorini, ang most unforgettable ko, yung nagsuka ako. So kaya, Kallimarmaro mga gala. So dito kami sa Titania Olive Garden, sa rooftop ng Titania Hotel Athens. So for our last breakfast here in Greece. So, kaya kami dito kumain para sa side na to. Para makita yung Parthenon. Ayun, nakita sa likod ko to. Yung Parthenon, Acropolis ng Athens. What a way to end the Greece trip. Let's go. Last breakfast in Athens.
Miss this.
Bumili ka ng most unforgettable moment sa Greece kasi nga ito nga yung conclusion video. Pinaka unforgettable.
Yung Santorini.
Ay, doon ang gag. So ano sa Santorini? The best.
Sunset view. Maybe.
Yung sa cliff So ako naman, ganun din. Pero before pa Santorini, ang most unforgettable ko, yung nagsuka ako. So kaya, dun sa speedboat. So kaya ang importante, ang mga pwede nyo gawin, mag-ready kayo ng mga gamot. Bumili kayo yung travel gum nila dito sa pharmacy kasi over the counter naman. Yun yung parang buwan namin natin sa Pilipinas. O number 2, mas malaking ship, yung Champions League jet. Or number 3, mag-airplane mismo kayo. So, yun yung mga options nyo kasi napaka-pangit ng pakiramdam kapag nahilo ka at tagsuka, lalo palalakas yung waves. Yun yung pinaka-unforgettable memory ko dito. Pero marami pang magaganda. Nakita niyo. Sige.
Sila dito.
Yan yung maasim na kiwi.
Hindi, masarap na.
Pero maasim.
Okay lang.
Pero masarap yung pagkaasim.
Ichan, anong ginagawa mo sa joke lang? Si Kim yan.
Kaya nag-isip ako kung paano gagawa illegal. Pero dapat hindi greedy. Balis na.
Alam mo, mahilig ka talaga lapitan ng mga bird.
Kahit sa di ba, sa cruise.
Oo.
Sa mini cruise pala. Cruise.
You attract birds.
Birds. Para sa store namin mamaya.
But this building, it was our first parliament. After 1830, we became a Greek independent state. Actually, the guy that you can see to your right-hand side on the top of a horse was a hero of our war of independence. And this was the building, Syntagma Square. On the side, you have the Temple of Zeus. Always, they were demolishing this temple because the walls that you can see, they were built later at the Roman period. So 6th century BC, we started building it, we finished it for the first time. Where we are going to go, look what you have to climb. No worries, we're gonna make it easy. Something similar to the Olympic Games. So here in Athens, we had every 4 years the Pan-Athenai Games. Pan means everyone. Pan. I'm sure that you're familiar with the word pandemic, unfortunately. And Athenaic, Pan-Athenaic Athenai comes from the word Athens, so Pan-Athenai Games, games dedicated to goddess Athena. And because we cannot run, as I told you, at the top of the Acropolis, and we cannot jump, look diagonally to your right. Diagonally to your right, there is a beautiful stadium.
Wow, ang laki nga.
Pan-Athenic Games.
Laki. Laki.
Pan-Athenic Games. Meron din sariling Olympics sa mismo loob ng Athens. Sabi ng tour guide. Every 4 years. Pan-Athenian Stadium. Meron silang sariling ganyan para Olympics.
Left hand side, you're gonna see diagonally a statue out of glass. And I will explain. Greek Christian Orthodox people, but we respect the other 3%. We don't take any lessons, but it's the place where we celebrate our graduation. I have to. This is the old library of Athens. We have a new one because the capacity is small. For nowadays books and okay, I'm kidding, but for us it's a really important moment. Look, you are so lucky because Panos is rhyming and you can see the change of the guards.
Wow! Sakto. Amen. At the center of the eye.
You are so lucky. You can see 5. They're wearing the Greek national costume. Actually, this is the summer costume. We have 2 guards 24/7.
Grabe, pababa sila. Nung hindi pa angat yung... Ay, iba-ibang steps ha. Iba-iba ang ano. Hindi flat. Dito tayo sa Acropolis. Yung totoong hayas. So, dito na po kami sa sa Acropolis, dito sa likod namin ng Parthenon. Pero hanap kami nung yung pupunta kami doon sa Greek flag para mas maganda yung pictures, para hindi doon makita yung mga tao kasi naka-elevate siya eh. So yung tao nasa baba, so hindi siya makita pag nandun ka sa flag daw. Pero ito yung pathway na dadaanan mo, yan yung rough pathway, slippery. So dito dapat marble, dito kami pupunta. Okay, let's go.
Ano yan? Temple ni Poseidon.
Title ni Athena, yung story nila.
Makita.
Wala, hindi ko rin makita.
Init. Nakaka-heat stroke dito. Walang puno. Nagbaba na po kami. Kasi sobrang init. Walang puno-puno dito. Puro direktang araw na. Sobrang pawis ng mga tao.
Wala kami sa room. Sige po daw.
O baka may ma-heat stroke ka. Sobrang init. Boy, ayan. Rap ka. Ayan na yung entrance.
Picture na. Ito kung picture ka.
Go.
Ancient door.
Yan na yung ancient door.
Hindi sabi siya, good door, something door.
And the old door yung pababa. Tapos modern door yung mas bagong entrance.
Hindi, yun lang yung tawag sa atin kasi nga gano'n tayo tour. Pero may word siya kanina dito eh.
Red yung old marble, yung white yung bagong marble. Nire-restore na nila eh.
Going down na.
Going down na, init. Watch your step. Ganda ng view.
Maganda view kasi halos lahat yun naka-white.
In life, you can see them in French.
At sila kasi naka-white.
The ancient Greek Agora. Yeah, down there. Yes. The Agora is the.
Like it's gonna be hot. I don't think I need that.
Old door.
Modern door. Hindi sila uso ng slice. Ano na pizza? Dami?
Tingnan ako nung ano.
So after pizza, formihin ito ng ice cream dahil sobrang init. mint and pistachio. Zeus Temple. Zeus Temple. USD. So Athens Airport, simulan na ang one day na travel. Athens to the